first dance, the folk dance that we are going to learn is called the Hukilau. And the Hukilau folk dance comes from Hawaii. It's an old dance. A lot of people who are from Hawaii will know how to do the Hukilau. And it's a pretty simple dance. The story that it tells is of the Hawaiian people going out and fishing, and once they get their fish, they come back and they have a nice feast or meal together with what they've caught.
Everybody loves the Hukilau. All the hands are talking at the big luau. We throw our nets out into the sea, and all the come swimming to me. Oh, going to the Hukilau. A Hukilau.
So first, we're not going to focus on our arms at all. We're just going to focus on our feet. And it's a pretty simple step with our feet. Okay, so we're going to start by going to the right first. And you are going to do 4 steps to the right. And then you're going to come back 4 steps to the left so that you start in the same spot that you ended. Okay, so I'm going to start over a little bit right here. And this is how it's going to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And when we're dancing, we only count up to 8. It's called an 8 step. So you count up to 8 and then you start over. Okay, so we're right back where we started, and we're going to start over with our 8 count again. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. Now for the Hukilau, that's all we're doing with our feet. We're going to be stepping 4 steps to the right and 4 steps to the left to the beat of the music. Okay, so let's do it. Let's do 3 8 counts in a row to practice our 8 count steps. Okay, so remember, 4 counts to the right, 4 counts to the left, so you end up right where you started. We're going to do that 3 times. All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job.
Oh, we're going to a Hukilau. Hooky, 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 Hukilau. Everybody loves the Hukilau, where the Lola is the cocoa at the Hukilau. We'll throw our nets out into the sea, and all the come swimming to me, for we're going to a Hukilau. Hooky, 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 Hukilau.
Good job. All right, now the hard part is when we add our hands. And since we're telling a story, our hands are going to tell the story since our feet are just going back and forth. Okay, so when we do our hands in the Hukilau, the first thing that we are going to do is we're going to point over our shoulder as if we're saying that we're going. Because the first part of the song says, we're going. Okay, so as we step, we're going to point over our shoulder, and it's going to be when we step with our right foot first. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like. You step and you point, and then you bring your foot together, step and point, and bring your foot together. And that's it. That's the first 4 counts. So let's start over. So anytime I am counting an odd number, so it would say 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's try to do just that. So on 1 and 3, you're gonna put your thumb over your shoulder as if you're saying we're going. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Let's do it again. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that one more time. Remember, on the 1 and the 3, we're putting our thumb over our shoulder to indicate that we're going. Okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So now we have ended up right here, and you'll remember that since we ended up on the side, we're going to take 4 steps back over to the other side. And what we're going to do when we take those 4 steps is we are going to pull an imaginary net. Okay? Because in the Hukilau, they are going fishing with nets. They don't fish in Hawaii. When they went to the Hukilau, they did not fish with poles. They fished with these big nets, and so they had to work together to pull those nets from the sea. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, so we're ended up right here. We just said that we're going. We're going to take 4 more steps back over to our left, and as we do that, we're going to pretend like we're pulling the nets, okay, from the ocean. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all together it'll look like this. We're gonna say that we're going, and then when we come back, we're pulling those nets back. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in the song, when we actually start doing it with the song, we're not going to count the numbers. We're going to listen to what the song is telling us, and it sounds something like this. Oh, we're going to the Hukilau. Okay, so we're going, and Hukilau is this event where we go fishing, so we're pulling our nets back in. Okay, so let's try it again. We're going to go, and then we're going to pull our nets in. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Try it again. 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Now, this next part's going to be really easy because we're just going to step 4 steps to the right again, and we're going to pull our nets this way. Okay? So we pull our nets to the left and to the right. Okay? So it'll look like this. Just watch me. We're going to start from going. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it all together, starting over at the top. So we're going, and then we're going to pull our nets. Okay, pull our nets both ways. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And to end it, it's so easy. We're just going to pull our nets again. Okay, to the other side so that we end up right where we started. So we go, and then we pull our nets this way, pull our nets this way, and then we're going to finish it by pulling our nets, because that's the most important part of the Hukilau. The Hukilau is going and fishing and getting all the fish. Okay, so here we go. We're going to start by going. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's do it again. starting with going. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. And we're going to do it one more time. And even after we're done with our class today, I want you to go back and watch our video, and I want you to practice. That's the first 16 steps. Okay, we do 2 8 steps, so 16 steps of the Hukilau, so that next week we can add on to it. Okay, so we're going to start with going. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. That's the first 2 8 steps of our Hukilau dance.
Oh, we're going to a Hukilau. Hooky, 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 Hukilau. Oh, we're going to a Hukilau. Hooky, 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 Hukilau. Oh, we're going to a Hukilau. Hooky, 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 Hukilau. Everybody loves the Hukilau.